National Weather Service Reno NV 253 PM PDT Saturday, August 15, 2020. A tornado warning remains in effect until 3:30 p.m. PDT for southeastern Lassen County. At 2:50 p.m. PDT, a paracumulonimbus from the Loyalton wildfire is capable of producing a fire-induced tornado, and outflow winds in excess of 60 miles per hour was located south of Chilkoot near and to the east of the fire. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: extreme fire behavior with strong outflow winds capable of downing trees and starting new fires. This is an extremely dangerous situation for firefighters. This tornadic paracumulonimbus will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Lassen County in the vicinity of the fire. Precautionary preparedness actions: follow any evacuation orders from your local authorities. Do not go into this area. Life-threatening situation. Tornado, radar indicated hail, 0.00 N. $. WH.